Hello, everybody. This is Jim Hiles from First Capital and Go Plan 101. Today, we're going to talk about how to pick or what to look for in a financial advisor, what the differences are. There was a commercial out recently on, I think it was from Fisher Investments, and they're having this portrayal of what an advisor is and what a Fisher advisor is. And we are an advisory firm. We are a fiduciary advisory firm, which is essentially what Fisher is saying in their commercials, that they charge a fee based on their clients' assets under management. They don't do commission work. As a matter of fact, the commission game is pretty much been gone for at least a decade, maybe more. If you're still dealing with a commission-based advisor, my guess is most people aren't. But if the commission-based advisor is still doing work for you, then I suggest you look for a fee-based advisor, because that's really what the better choice is most of the time. Now, there's several products out there that you still have to buy via brokerage, and there are sales commissions and or costs to do so. In the money management business, generally most are assets under management. You pay somebody to manage assets for you, and they get a percentage of that, and that comes out of the net return from the portfolio. And the question is it worth it? Well, a lot of that depends on what you're looking for. There are many different kinds of advisors out there, so you got to be careful and make sure it's right for you. We do know the surveys and the information, the research was done by a company called Dalbar years ago, that in most cases, people trying to do it themselves do not do as well. As a matter of fact, it costs them, according to this survey, over $1,000 a year by not having somebody help them out. It's kind of one of those things. It's like doing your yard work. You can do it. You can cut trees down on your own, but try to pull down a big tree in the backyard, it's not such an easy thing to do. You want to leave that to the professionals. It's not so much different here. The problem is the ease of access of information makes it seem like it's easy, but it's not. Particularly when you're doing financial or wealth management, which is what it is that we do. So you have to be clear what you're looking for. Wealth management as a name has been kind of taken over by the investment business. Truly, wealth management is more comprehensive than that. It has to do with income taxes and risk management, insurances, retirement planning, cash flow, budget analysis, in addition to investments. So that's one of the things you have to kind of ask yourself is, what do you need help with? Because that'll help you figure out what kind of advisor. As you know, I'm a comprehensive wealth manager, so is our firm. We think there's an advantage to being that way, because that way you can see the interactions from tax, investment, estate, retirement. You may miss something. There could be gaps, conflicts, and overlaps in a plan that, if you're not looking comprehensively, could cost you some money. So those are the kinds of things I think make sense when you look for a financial advisor. They're also this new breed of advisors, and they're not really advisors. They're pseudo advisors. They're coming out of the tech world, where they're saying, we can provide you with a questionnaire and you'll profile you, and then you're going to end up going into a bucket. That works for a lot of folks pretty well, because it gets them to do something they should be doing. However, if you're looking for something more personalized, I think that has some shortcomings to it. So those are my opinions on what's going on and how to look for and what to look for in a financial advisor. There are a number of different things to look for. You could have a team of advisors rather than just one. We generally like the team approach. We work with other advisors out there as well, estate attorneys, CPAs, insurance people, and so on. So not unusual to have a team built around you to try to do something. So anyway, Jim Hiles signing off for now. Thanks.